Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 VF Commodore International Sedan, stock reference number 4887. The shape runs from the 5th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2017. It has an LFW 3-litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. LFW 3-litre V6 petrol engine with the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left front 18-inch factory alloy nag with a good tyre. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left hand power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy nag with a good tyre. With the right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy nag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy nag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic shifter, climate control heated controls, factory touchscreen CD player, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.